Hello. So this is the GoPro 7 that I bought. Normally these are $300 or more, but I was not going to pay that. I paid close to $200. Oh, and yes, I cut myself again. Anyway, I've decided that I'm going to use this as my main camera. I have several cameras and I don't use them because my smartphone usually takes better pictures than my regular camera. So there's a couple cameras I'm going to get rid of, and I'm going to use this for pretty much everything, even vlogging. But the thing is, these still don't have the best internal microphones, so especially outside you need usually an external microphone. But to utilize that, you need one of these microphone adapter, and these can be quite pricey. These are $50 retail, and a lot of times people are trying to sell them for up to $100. Anyway, you can find them a little cheaper, which I usually do, if you're patient. So what you have to do is plug it in right here. I've permanently taken this door off just for this reason. And then that plugs into your GoPro, and then your microphone, which is this. I bought a Rode microphone, external. This will go on top. Anyways, that just basically plugs in to the adapter, thusly. So now you have this kind of a setup. Let me move the camera. You have this kind of a setup. Well, that's kind of awkward. But I found that they do make cases for this. The adapter will fit in the case just below. And the case also has a hot shoe to put the microphone on top. So once I've ordered that for $8 from Walmart. Nobody told me Walmart sells them, but I Googled it and I found it cheaper on Walmart, half the price. So that case is still coming. So I'll be having a new case that this all fits in and keeps this all looking better than this. Because you can't use it like this. You literally have to tape all this stuff together, which some people do. They tape it all together and it looks like hell. Anyways, this microphone can be pricey. This can also be $50, but I got a deal on it. Because I found it used. Someone wasn't using it and hardly used it. And it also came with one of these muffs, microphone muffs, or a dead rat. And once that is on top of here, I found out it will clear and you will not be able to see it in the picture. Anyways, I just wanted to show you what I got here, what I got going on so far. Still haven't got all my stuff. And then I found someone was selling extra batteries and memory cards. I got all this for $20. One of these is normally $20. Sometimes you can find them for $15 used. But yeah, so there's $60 worth of batteries right here alone, and I got all this for $20. Anywho, that's about it. Oh, and I got one of these too. Well, I've had this that I'll probably use this tripod and put it in the new case that I'm getting. So yeah, that's my stuff. I'm gonna sell all my other camera equipment and just use this for everything. This can do a lot of stuff that I'm really excited to do. I've already done a time warp video. I posted that video just as an experiment, and I will be doing night lapse. So I'm excited about a night lapse video. So stay tuned for better videos and more interesting videos, hopefully, to come. It's a busy time of the year, and there's a lot of family stuff going on, so I don't have time to do a whole lot of this. But I promise I will make time sometime. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.